the best and easiest VPN to download and install for your Android mobile and smartphone device. In the Google Play Store, you have to write in the drop down menu Thunder VPN, this one, the top one. Then I will show you the icon or logo. This is already installed in my device. I have to simply click on open from this. If it is not installed, you have to install and download. You have to click on accept. This accept. You have to click on this accept. Click on accept. Then you have to click. Then they will show you all this. There's checking, preparing for first connection, checking DNS server. This is the easiest to download, easiest to use. You have to simply click on connect. Then your work is done. They will connect you to a particular country. To a different country, you have to click on OK. To a different country from yours. Then you can surf any blocked website and